Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I was telling you that don't know, count all the digit up to the, if I say this is my first digit, this is the second digit, this is the third, fourth, fifth. Okay, can I say this fifth is the second last digit? Can I say or not? Hello? Hello? Am I audible? Hello? Hello?
Ma'am, you are stuck. You were stuck again.
Wait.
Ma'am, you switch off your video, ma'am. Then the net would be a little better.
Okay, wait. Yes, now? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
It is better?
Yes, ma'am.
So Nitya, Shri and all, Shubhra and all, Ananya, you listen. Nitya Shri, if I start jumping from the right side, okay, if I start jumping from the right side, jump until you get the number, decimal number between 1 to 10. Okay, if I place the decimal here, then this number 2.7 will lie
Ma'am, one
between.
doubt I have.
Yes.
If we write 2.107.
Yes. Tell me.
2.
Yes.
1075.
Yes.
Then until where, ma'am? Means it is 1075, no, ma'am.
See, this is a decimal number. Okay.
Okay.
This is a
So
decimal
near
number.
1 we have to keep 1, 2, 3, 4.
This is a decimal number. So in a decimal number, if you convert this decimal number to exponent form, the negative exponent will come.
Yes.
The negative exponent will come. Okay. If you convert the whole number, if I take this as whole number, then the positive exponent will come in the multiplication. Okay. If you convert the decimal number, then the negative exponent will come in the decimal number. Okay. So suppose I am having two examples, let's say 1 and 2. Okay. Convert this. First, we are converting this number into an exponent form. Okay. So start from the right side. Okay, start jumping from the right side and you have to reach up to the second last digit. Okay, start from the right side, first, second, third, fourth. This fourth one is the second last digit. After this one, only one digit is there. Okay, so the place decimal after second last digit. Okay, and count the number of digits. How many digits are there up to the second last digit? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and add that much of exponent in 10 with 10. Okay, clear? 2.1075 into 10 raised to power 4. Now you could see here there is no zero. There is no zero, and still we got the exponent 10 raised to, we are adding 10 raised to power 4 exponent. We don't have to add only zero. You no need to count only zero. Count all the digits up to the second last digit, and then place the that value in the exponent form. Clear? Now see, if it is a decimal number, how would you convert this number into exponent form? For the decimal number, exponent will come in the negative. See, how many digits are there after decimal? There are 4 digits. Okay, so you can write 10 raised to power minus 4. Okay, 4 digits are there after decimal, so minus 4 exponent will come. And now write the number as a whole number. Okay, so this would be the standard form, or you can say exponent form of this decimal number. So there are two type of conversion of whole to exponent form, and conversion of decimal number to exponent form. Is it clear? Okay, if it is clear, then you please solve this question. I will assign you each and every question to you separately. Wait, how many people are there? Let me to see. Yes, Ananya, this is for you. The first is for you. Wait. Yes, this is for you, Ananya. I am not able to read. Yes, this is for you. Nityashri, this is for you. Manideep, this is for you. Inaya, this is for you. And Shubhra. Shubhra and Inaya both have the same.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And who is left? Tanvi. Tanvi, are you there? Are you attending the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So do this first question. This is for you. Convert this decimal number or whole number into a standard form, exponent form. Standard form means exponent form. Exponent form means write the 10 raised to power something.
Ma'am, second one is mine.
Yes. So what is your answer? Count all the digit number as well as
2.1 into 10 to the power 6.
I told you that if you are converting decimal into exponent form, negative exponent will come. Negative.
2.1 into 10 to the power minus 6.
Yes. 2.1 into 10 to the power minus 6. Correct. Next.
Mom, is my
Manideep.
2.16 into 10 to 10, ma'am.
2.1. 2.16
into 10 to the power of
minus or plus?
no, ma'am.
Inaya wrote answer
10 to the power of 7, ma'am.
10 to the power 7. Wait.
Yes, ma'am.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Correct. Correct. Inaya, your answer is 4th one 1.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Correct. Inaya, you are correct. Shubhra, correct. Okay. Tanvi. Only Tanvi is left.
Yes, ma'am. I put it in
Ananya
chat.
and Tanvi. Yes. Ananya and Tanvi. Yeah. Nityashri, please check. Yeah, this Inaya and Shubhra is correct or not? They are getting 5.24 into 10 is for minus 7.
No, ma'am, wrong.
This is wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
No. Shubhra is getting 1.524. Shubhra is getting 1254. 1.524. Now,
1 second, ma'am.
Tanvi.
Yes, ma'am. I got 5.64 times 10 to the power of minus 7.
Yes.
Shubhra is also wrong. It will be into 10 to the power minus 8. Yeah, 10 to the
It
power
will be only
normal
7. It will be only 7.
Plus 7.
It will be 8.
Yes. Shubhra, you are correct. I
Sir,
purposely
8.
wrote
No, 8, no, ma'am. 1, 2,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
8.
No, it is 7 up to 5. Up to decimal.
Now, ma'am, then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No,
7.
ma'am.
It is 7. Easily is 5 to 4 and 4 zeros are there. Three numbers and 4 zeros. It is 3 number and 4 zeros. Correct. Nityashri. Tanvi, you check the second answer. This one is correct or not?
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Nityashri, why are you getting confused? See, There are only 8 digits.
Ma'am, this side of 0 also 1, no, ma'am.
Where is 0? The
Ma'am,
number
last
is
0. No, no,
1 to
last 0 is there, no, ma'am.
only 4 zeros
Ma'am,
are there.
ma'am, tell her to write on the book. She'll understand.
Yes, yes. Only
No,
4
ma'am,
zeros are there. Nityashri, only 4 zeros and 3 digits.
Oh,
So
is
you
it
have,
4?
yes, it is 4 zeros.
Okay, ma'am. Then
Okay. So I think this is clear for everyone how to convert any number into an exponent form. Okay. Now we will see how to compare very large number and very small number. Okay. If how to compare two exponent numbers, two exponent form numbers. So how would you convert first? Tell me. If I am having a two number 4.56 into 10 to the power 8 and 392 into 10 to the power 7, which number is larger? How would you compare? Yes, Manideep. Manideep, tell me.
Yeah.
Yes. How would you compare? No? Tanvi. Tanvi. Tanvi.
ma'am, that time we can do like 3.92 and 2 digits we can increase near 10. Sorry, we should write 39.2 and near 10 we can write 8.
Yes. So the simple is you first make the exponent power equal, exponent term equal.
So
Okay.
39.2 into 10 to the power 8.
Yes. After making their exponent term equal, you can compare the number directly. Okay. So this is 10 is power 8. Either you convert this 10 is to power 7 to 10 is power 8, or you can convert this 10 is power 8 to 7, so that they would be equal. Okay. So the better is convert this into 10 is power 8. You can do both the method. So one number is 4.56 into 10 is power 8, and the other one is in 10 is power 8, you could write this as 39.2 into 10 is power 8. Am I correct? Am I correct or not? This would be 39.2 into 10 is power 8 or 3.92 into 10 is power 8.
Ma'am,
39.2.
39.2 into 10 to the power 8.
8, yes. Okay, so now you can see the exponent part is equal.
Ma'am, if it was like 4.56 into 10 to the power 10 and 392 into 10 to the power.
Let me to finish this part. So which one is greater? Now the exponent term is equal. You can compare the number directly.
39.2.
Obviously 39.2 is greater. Okay, it means 392.10 is power 7 is greater than the 4.56 into 10 is power 8. Okay, so this is the method. First equate their, first make their exponent term equal and then compare the number. Now Nityashri is telling the other example. Yeah, tell me.
And 4.56 into 10 to the power 10
Okay.
in compared with 392 into 10 to the power 6.
Okay, so you can do one thing. Either you can convert this 10 is power 6 to 10 is power 10. Okay, so how would you convert? We have to, for making this 10 is power 6 to 10, we have to add, we need to add 10 is power 4, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So to make it 10 is power 10, we need to add 10 is power 4. Now, if you are multiplying in the numerator, you have to divide the same number so that there would be no effect. Okay.
I didn't understand. Ma'am.
Actually, to make it 10 is power 10, you need to add 4. 6 is there, you need to add 4 to make it 10. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So we need to multiply this term with 10 is power 4. Now, can you multiply in your side any number with any power? Are you allowed to multiply any number? No.
No, ma'am.
if you are multiplying then any number.
Ma'am, or can we write 0.0392 into 10 to the power?
See
10.
that ultimately will reach at that number only. This is the way. This is the simple way. Okay. So multiply and divide both side by 10 raised to power 4 so that there would be no effect on the given number. Okay. Now see,
Okay, ma'am.
you can add these exponent. You can add these exponent. So it will become 10 raised to power 10. Now what to do with 10 raised to power 4? Now 10 raised to power 4 would be accounted with this number. Okay. Now can you solve this division? 392 divided by 10 raised to power 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, we can solve it. If any number divisible by 10 raised to power something, you start counting the number of digits from the right side and place the decimal after the how many zeros are there, place the decimal after that much of digit, right? There are 4 zeros, so place the decimal after 40. Okay, so this would become 0.0392 into 10 raised to power 10. Okay, so ultimately I'm getting this number only. Nityashri, what you were telling, I am getting that number only. This is the way. This is a simple way for converting this number into 10 raised to power 10 exponent. 10 raised to power 10 power. Okay. Now see, my other number is 4.56 into 10 raised to power 10. Okay. So I have made their exponent equal. Their exponent will cancel out. So which number is greater? Wait. Okay, what happened? Share screen is closed. Wait. Wait. Yes. So which number is greater? Okay, we were at this point. So which number is greater? 4.56. Obviously 4.56 is greater than 0.0392. Okay, so we can say this number is greater than 92 into 10 raised to power 6. So this is the way. Okay. So are you getting this part? Did you get this part? How to make their exponent equal? Ananya, is it clear? Ananya, Shubhra? Yes, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
It is clear or not? Tanvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, if I give you other numbers, okay, let's do the comparison only. Comparison type question. If I am having a one.
Ma'am, can you explain it once again?
Okay. Shubhra, if their exponent are not equal, so try to make their exponent part same. Okay. So here 10 raised to power 6. Okay. So for making it 10 raised to power 10, I need to add 10 raised to power 4. So I can't multiply directly with 10 raised to power 4. If I am multiplying with this number, I have to divide this with the same number so that there would be no effect on the number. Okay. See, do you know if there is a 3 by 2, if for the fraction part, you have to divide and multiply with the same number to make it live fraction. Okay, the same thing, the same concept I have used here. I am making this term like as this exponent. Okay, this exponent. So I am multiplying 10 raised to power 4 by 10 raised to power 4. Okay, so this 10 raised to power 6 and 10 raised to power 4, they will get added. They will become, it will become 10 raised to power 10. Now still I am having a 10 raised to power 4. So I need to solve 392 by 10 raised to power 4, and this would be 0.0392. Okay, and you already know, do you know this rule that any number, how to convert any whole number into decimal number when it is divided by,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, you know, na? If I
Yes, ma'am.
divide this number by 1000, then it would be 0.392. If I divide the same number with 10,000, the result would be
0.0392.
0.0392. Okay, count the number of zeros, and place the decimal point after equal to the number of digit equal to number of zeros. 4 zeros are there, so count the digit 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is not there, so add 0. So place the decimal after 4 digit. This would be the result, direct result, when we divide any number with 10, multiple of 10. Okay, this is the division.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, if it is a multiple, if we write like 392 by 20, then can we write it like 392 by 10 into 10 and do?
This can be written as 392 by 10 into 2. Okay, now see.
Sorry, yes.
Okay, first you have to simplify this thing. Okay, so 392 would be
1 second.
296. 296. No, 196.
Yes, ma'am, 19.
196. Okay, 196 divided by 10. Now, if you are dividing by 10,
19.6.
yes, you can place the decimal after one digit.
Ma'am, if we write 392 by 10 into 10, 100.
See, if you write 100, then how many zeros are there? 2. So place the decimal after 2 digit.
Oh, okay.
Okay. If there are 3 zeros, place the decimal.
0.392.
Yes, after 3 digit. If there are 4 zeros, then there are only 3 digit only. Then you can add 2 more zeros. Okay, 2 more zeros and place the decimal after 4 digit. If there is 392 divided by 7 zeros, then you can add 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And since there are 7 number of zeros, you can place the decimal before 7 digit. Okay, so this is the
more 4 zeros. No. 7 digit, no, ma'am. Already 3 digits are there, so more 4 zeros and then point.
Yes. Okay, so this is the way of dividing 10 multiple of 10, 100, 1000. Okay, this is the direct way of multiplying with 10,000, 100, 10, 1 lakh. Okay, multiple of 10. Now see, is it clear? Clear to everyone? Now, okay, we'll do question quickly. Okay, express the following number in usual form. Okay, I will assign.
Can I do last one?
No, I will assign one by one. Nitya Shri. This is for Shubhra. This is for Ananya, Tanvi, Manideep, and the rest. Who is left?
Nitya.
Nitya, I gave you na.
Ma'am, I want last one.
No,
Inaya, ma'am.
Inaya. Okay. Okay, you can do both. Nitya Shri.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, do it. Tanvi, I should get your answer as first. Tanvi,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, what is your answer?
Minute, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got mine.
Okay, Nitya Shri's answer is
Ze- 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Ma'am, once again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 zeros, 302.
Ananya, wait. Ananya answer is yes. Ananya, it is correct. 45,000. Yes, Nitya Shri, check. Ananya wrote the correct or not? 45,000. Yours is Nitya Shri.
I sent, ma'am, answer.
Yes. 0, 0. This is not correct. Nityashri, this is not correct. Wrong.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Manideep, ma'am, is my answer
Ananya,
0.
you are correct. Manideep, your is?
Ma'am, why mine is wrong,
703, ma'am.
Nityashri, I will tell you later. Yeah. Manideep, what is your answer?
Ma'am, 0.70.
Yes, very good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Nityashri,
Not 8, ma'am. 3, ma'am.
3. This is 3
Last one
only.
is
Yes, this is 3. Inaya is yes. Inaya gave the correct answer. Nityashri, what happened?
Ma'am, I sent the first one.
Okay, that is for first one.
Yes, ma'am.
I thought you might have sent for the last one. Shubhra, yes, correct. How many fours are already there? 5 zeros. Yes, correct. Nityashri, first one answer is correct.
Second one I'm sending, ma'am.
Last one.
3, 4, 5, 3, 6.
Nityashri is correct.
Ma'am, I sent mine. Can you check?
Ma'am, last one, Inaya's one also I sent,
Tanvi,
ma'am.
wait. Tanvi, wait. Tanvi, where did you send? I didn't get any answer from
The
your
direct
side.
message, ma'am.
Direct message. Yes, in the chat box, na?
Yes, ma'am.
You retype it. I didn't get any answer.
Okay.
Nityashri, last answer.
I sent last also, ma'am.
No, this is not correct. Nityashri, not correct.
Ma'am, last one, ma'am.
Yes, last one. Point 0.
Oh, okay, it is 6 no, ma'am, not -6.
Yes. Tanvi. Okay. Tanvi, correct. Have you added 11 zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes, correct. Tanvi, correct. Nityashri?
Ma'am, I'm sending now. I thought it was -6.
Okay. Yes, now it is correct. Yeah, you have to add only 1 0 because 5 digit is there. Only add 1 0.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next question. Yes, the last question. No? After that, we will solve the question paper. Yes. This is for Nityashri. This is for Shubhra, Tanvi, Manideep. This is for Inaya and Ananya both. Yes. Type your answer in chat box.
Ma'am, first one I got.
What is your answer? Yeah, you can say your answer.
0.5 zeros and 1.
5 zeros. 3, 4, 5 zeros and 1. Okay. And in exponent form? This is in, see, standard form is exponent form.
1.0 into 10 to the power -6.
Anaya answer is 7 into 10
Ma'am,
is 4.
Ma'am, 1.0 into 10 to the power
Anaya,
6.
your answer is not correct. 0 into 1 into or 0 into?
1.0 into 10 to the power -6.
Yes, correct. Correct. Or you can say directly, it will be 10 to the power -6 only. If nothing is there, it means there is a multiplication of 1.
Yes.
We are multiplying 1. In Ananya, not correct. Ananya, not correct. Yes, Tanvi. Tanvi answer is 10 to the power -7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 into 10 raised to power minus 7. Correct. Then we correct. Inaya. Yes. Now it is correct. Ananya, what happened? Ananya, it would be 10 raised to power minus 2, not plus 2. Got it? I told you that if you are converting decimal to exponent form, minus exponent would come.
Okay, ma'am.
1.6 into Shubhra. Shubhra always getting the toughest question. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. There are too many zeros.
Yes. 1, 2, 3. Yes, correct. 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 90. Correct. Absolutely correct. 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 90. Correct. I got only Ananya's answer wrong. Everyone gave the correct answer. Ananya, so be careful while writing the exponent power. Okay. Okay. Now we can solve the question paper. Wait. I need to upload the question paper here. The question was quite easy, right? So this chapter is completed, exponent and power. Okay. Is there any doubt?
Ma'am, can you start the comparing quantities now?
Yes, after this, I will start the algebraic expression. That is also very short chapter. That is coming for all of you, I think. Is
Yes,
that
ma'am,
coming?
it's coming for me, ma'am.
Yes, it is coming for most of the people. So let me to finish that chapter. Okay, after that.
And also the comparing.
Yes, no, don't worry. The algebraic expression is square, the scoring chapter. Okay, so that's why I'm taking that as first. Okay, so yeah, in next week, this week we will complete algebraic expression. Next week we will start this comparing quantities. Okay, now let me to upload the question paper. Wait, insert. Question paper was of factorization, right? Yes.
Ma'am, actually tomorrow is my math exam, ma'am.
Tomorrow is your math exam.
Yes, ma'am.
So which chapter is coming? How many chapters
Comparing
are? Okay, comparing
12 chapters.
Okay, that is coming. Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
what to do? Let me to finish this class. After this class, we will stay for 15-20 minutes. I will stay with you and I will come. I will tell you the important ones from the comparing quantities. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Wait, let me. Class 8 test paper, factorization question paper. Yes, this was the question paper. Yes, only 3 people have attended. I'm feeling very sad. Only 3 people gave the question, a test. The product of a monomial. Yeah, let's start it. Yeah, one by one. Ananya. Okay. Ananya, since Ananya is having exam tomorrow, there will be more question for Ananya. Yeah, Ananya, tell me. Read the question first. Tell me the answer. Ananya. 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 Inaya. Manideep.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay. Ananya, read the first 5 question. First to 5 question you have to solve. Do it fast, one by one.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, first one is a binomial, ma'am.
The product of monomial and binomial would be?
Binomial.
Binomial.
And the second one is non-negative integers.
In a polynomial, the exponent of variable are always?
They are non-negative integers, ma'am.
Yes, they are non-negative integers. Non-negative integers, or you can say positive integers. Both are correct.
Okay, ma'am.
No. This non-negative would include 0 also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, this non-negative would include 0 also. So in polynomial, the exponent should be always positive integers only. Okay, so the positive integer is correct one. See, you might have seen every time this expression only, x square, y square, z cube. Have you ever seen x minus 2? No? You have not seen, right? So the positive integer, they will have only positive power of exponent. So positive integer is correct one. Third. Yeah, do it fast. Which of the following is correct? I think this is not done yet. No? This belongs to this algebraic expression.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Oh, okay. Even though since this is a revision, you might be aware from this identity, right? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
So for the third one.
Third one. Next
Yes,
5
ma'am.
question, Inaya will give. Inaya, be ready.
Ma'am.
A minus
Ma'am,
B
the second
square.
one.
Yes, correct. Correct. The fourth one.
Minus 5pq.
Yes, correct. Fifth one.
The second one, ma'am. Minus 2x square y
Yes.
square.
So Ananya got 5 out of 5, 100% marks. Okay. Next, Inaya. Inaya. Inaya.
Ma'am, the second one is the answer.
No. Now your turn is over. Okay. Tanvi. Tanvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Next 5.
Ma'am, can you explain me the fifth one?
Fifth one. Yes.
Yes.
If we subtract this term from this term, then we will get.
According to integers law, ma'am, you need to minus and put the higher symbol. So the higher number is 3, so put minus.
No,
3.
Ananya, you are wrong. You are wrong. Shubhra pointed out the right thing. If we subtract this thing from this thing, see, we are subtracting this term minus 3x square y square from the x square y square. We are subtracting. Subtraction means subtraction only. Okay, negative
Minus,
side,
ma'am.
get minus, and you have to subtract this quantity, this term. So this, when you will open this bracket, it would become plus. Minus will become plus. Okay, so now they will get added. And the sign will be positive only. 4x
So
square y
4x
square.
square y square, ma'am. D is
Yes,
the answer.
Ananya, Shubhra pointed to the right thing. You got 5. Okay. Okay. Any
Ma'am,
mistake?
can I do the next
Any
one?
mistake done by Ananya? Can you figure out? No. I think yeah. Rest of the thing is okay.
Ma'am, I was just saying the fifth question answer, ma'am. Like that fifth one.
Yes, fifth one. Say. Okay. Now
Ma'am,
6
can
to.
I do the 6 to 10? Say.
Where is Tanvi? Yeah. Next 5 you will say. Okay. Tanvi.
Yes, ma'am.
After Nitya Shri Shubhra, and after Shubhra, Inaya. Yes. 6 to 10. Tell me. Like term.
Option A.
Very good. No.
No,
Not-
ma'am.
not very
it's
good.
the B one,
Option
ma'am.
B is the answer.
Very
ma'am.
bad. Like term as 4m cube n square.
Ma'am, B1, ma'am.
You have to search out that terms that is having the same variable and their power. M cube n square. Here m square, not m cube. Okay.
Ma'am, so B is the answer.
B is the answer. Tanvi, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because here their variable and powers should be same. Then they will be like term. Okay.
Okay.
Next.
D.
Which of the following is a binomial? B.
D.
Very good. Next.
And first one is the answer.
No. Don't say. Only Tanvi will.
Yeah, ma'am, it's correct. First one.
Yes. Sum.
First one, ma'am. A.
Sum of A minus B plus AB plus B minus C minus BC. Okay.
And then plus brackets, ma'am.
Minus A. No, sum. Sum, no need to.
That only once a
No
bracket.
need to
we
put
should-
bracket if there is a sum. In
Okay, yeah, minus is there means symbol.
if minus is there, then you need to put bracket. Okay. Now see, A will get cancelled out. Plus A minus A. Plus B minus B will get cancelled out. Minus C plus C will get cancelled out. The remaining term is AB minus BC minus AC. So the
2AC minus BC.
AB plus BC, AB minus BC minus AC. So Tanvi, what is the answer? No. What happened?
Ma'am, we did somewhere wrong, ma'am, because
Yes,
we
yes.
should get 2C plus
A
AB
minus B plus AB, B plus, yes, B plus C. This is a B plus C. This is a B plus C. So C will not get cancelled out. C will be added. Okay. C will be added. C and C. It will become 2C. Okay. So now match it with the option.
Ma'am, that is not okay. Ma'am, that is AC minus BC, ma'am, not BC minus AC.
Yeah, you can write in any way. Both will be correct. You match the yeah. Tanvi,
Yeah, option A.
option A. AB minus AC minus BC. Okay, the both were correct. You can write this term as AC minus BC. Okay, both ways correct. Ninth. So Tanvi, till here only 2 questions are correct. Ninth one. Product of following monomial.
Option A again.
Option A.
Yes.
Is that correct? P
Yes, ma'am.
P square Q4 or 7 7 ja 49 49 4 ja and okay 196 and minus plus. Next last question. Area of rectangle.
B.
D. Okay. So Tanvi got the
No,
same
B, ma'am.
B. 6 4 ja.
Ma'am, answer
24
is
APQ.
B only.
Yes,
Yeah.
BQ. So Tanvi got the 4 out of 5. Okay, same as Ananya. Okay, congratulations, Tanvi. Now, Nityashri. Next 5.
1 second, ma'am, I'm doing.
Next 5, Shubhra will give the answer.
Ma'am, 11th is A.
11th
Okay,
is
ma'am.
A. Okay.
Yes.
Hmm.
And
The
12th.
11th mein you have to find out volume.
Yes, ma'am.
Length
2L.
into
Sorry,
breadth into
length
height.
into breadth into height.
Okay, so 2AB into 3AC into 2AC.
A is the answer, ma'am.
So 2 into, you can multiply the number directly. 2 3 ja
Yes,
6,
ma'am.
6 2 ja 12. And now
12
A.
A cube B C
3A
square.
are there. 3A means A cube. 1B is there, only 1B, and C are 2. C square. Yes. Next.
12 is B, ma'am.
B. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you are multiply this term with each and every term. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Multiply this term with each and every term.
So 12A
Yes,
cube
correct.
B,
Hmm.
like that, ma'am.
Correct.
And 13th one is D option.
If I am going fast, anybody is not getting any answer, please pinpoint on that point only. Okay.
Ma'am, 13th is D.
D.
Yes, ma'am.
Square of this would be. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. 9 square plus 16 y square minus 24
Yes.
xy.
So we will use identity A minus B square. A minus B square. A minus B square is A square plus B square minus 2AB. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So A square, what is the A? A is the first quantity. First quantity is 3x square plus B square, the second quantity 4y square. Okay, minus 2AB, minus 2. A is the first quantity 3x, B is the second quantity 4y. Okay, now you solve it. 3x square would be 9x square 4y square would be 16y square. Now multiplication of these three terms. Multiply the number directly. 2 3 ja 6, 6 4 ja 24. And xy. X into y would be written as xy only. So the answer D is correct. Correct. 14. 14.
Ma'am, 14th one is D.
Which are the like term? D.
B, ma'am, B for bat.
So most of the questions having answer B, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And
And
yes, correct. Go for like term, their variable power and variable name should be equal. So x, y, z square, x, y, z square. Correct. 15.
15th is C, ma'am, minus 1 by 3.
Correct, correct. So Ananya got 100%. Yeah,
Ma'am, Nitya, ma'am.
Nitya Shri got 100%. Okay, good. Next, Shubhra.
Yes, ma'am. The first one, 16th one is C bit. I'm doing the next one.
C or okay, C.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, for the next one, it is 17 AB.
17.
B bit answer.
AB, common factor. Yes,
Yes,
17 is common and AB is common. Correct.
Yes.
Next. Next.
Ma'am, D bit.
18D, square of this. Yes, 81 is square, 49xy. Use identity, A minus B square. Right? Okay. Correct. No. I think not correct. Shubhra, this is wrong.
Okay, ma'am.
A square plus B square minus 2AB. So minus 2AB is, this is correct. 9x square plus 7xy square minus 2AB. 7 9 is 63 and 63 2 is 126. So answer C is
Yes.
correct. D is not correct. C is correct. Next. Next.
Ma'am, C, B1.
B1.
Yes, ma'am.
23x plus 54y minus 2. Yes, correct. Factorization. Do you know how to do factorization? First take the common in the
Yes,
first.
ma'am.
Yes. 54y minus 108. Take the common 23x in the first two term. So y will be left out and 2 will left out. Similarly, here take the 54 common. No, Shubhra. B is not correct. Y minus 2.
Can
Only
I say the answer?
Yes, answer is the what? First one.
A, ma'am.
Yes, Shubhra, what you did mistake here. The common would be 54 only, not 54y. So the 23x plus 54y minus 2. Shubhra, did you get your mistake?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you took here 54y. So y will not come common because here in 108 there is no y. So only 54 would get common. Okay. So rest y will be left out and 2 will be left out. So now you can take again common. Y minus 2 can be taken as common. and you will left with 23x plus 54y. So the answer is first is correct. But Shubhra, they are very tough questions and you are doing very well. Don't be nervous from the number. Okay. Every time the toughest question come in your part, right? Next time I will give you some easier question. Yes.
Ma'am, Shubhra, last one is also left, ma'am.
Yes.
This is
Subhra,
easy only, ma'am.
okay. So those who do the tough, they have the ability.
C, ma'am.
Developing. C. 20th C. Shubhra, what is your answer?
Ma'am, I said the C.
C.
Ma'am, one second.
C. Okay. R square minus 10R plus 21.
Ma'am, correct only,
Correct?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
R square minus 10R plus 21. It is correct? How-
Actually, no, ma'am. R minus 7, R minus 3 will come. I
Yes,
think.
yes. This is the question only. So you can factorize. You can factorize this 10 as 7R minus 3R. Okay, you can split this term as minus 7R minus 3R plus 21. Okay.
Ma'am,
This is a this is
B,
a
ma'am, 28.
x plus a x plus b form, right? So r square, r can be taken as common, r minus 7, minus 3 can be taken as common, r minus 7.
Ma'am, B is the answer.
So r minus 3, r minus 7. Yes, correct. No, r minus 3, b is the answer.
Yes, ma'am, that's what I was saying.
Yes, Shubhra, you are doing very little mistake, silly mistakes. Here r minus 3 would come. Take the minus 3 as common. Shubhra, did you apply this this formula? X plus a, x plus b? Yes, Shubhra.
Ma'am, I did it directly in regrouping method, ma'am. I didn't apply that formula.
Regrouping. So how
Means, sorry, split the middle term.
how?
I'm splitting the middle term, ma'am. 21 means 3 into 7 is 21. So I split the middle term and completed it.
After splitting, I did the same.
Yes, ma'am, but you said x plus a, x plus b. I didn't take it. I directly splitted the
Okay,
middle term.
that method is called the x plus a, x plus b method only. The middle term splitting method is x plus a, x plus b only. Okay, Shubhra, what happened? Okay, so Shubhra is completed, I think 16 to 17. 3 question was wrong. So 5 out of 2. 3 question was wrong or 2 only? 1, 2, 3.
3, ma'am.
3 was wrong. So Shubhra got, but Shubhra did well. Okay, because they all were tough question. Yes. So now I think you the rest of the questions can be solved easily. Okay, okay. Those who want to leave, they may leave.
Ma'am, you'll take quiz now.
No. I will take Ananya's class because she want to learn comparing quantities. Right?
Then all others can leave.
Yeah, all others can leave. Ananya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. You stay
Ma'am,
here for
more
5-10 minutes.
are there, ma'am. Until then, I will listen.
Okay. Shubhra, do you want to listen or do you want to go?
Ma'am, I listened.
Okay, it is your choice. If you want to leave, you may leave. Okay, comparing quantities. I want to tell some important formulas. Okay, to compare for the comparing quantities. Okay, so Ananya, the question may come. There are only 3-4 formulas. Okay. So in comparing quantities, what you have to do? Okay. In comparing quantities, you have to first convert the compare the ratio. Okay, first compare the ratio. There would be 4 terms: ratio, percentage, interest, okay, interest and tax. Correct? Okay. Now see the ratio. How would you compare two quantity in a ratio? Okay, I will take the new page. Yes. There are 4 important thing here. First one is ratio, percentage, okay. Third one is compound interest, okay. And fourth one is tax. Okay, so ratio, if two things are in the ratio 2/3, okay, 2/3, if I am having a 40 orange and 20 orange and 30 apple, so you can say you are having orange 2 times, no, you can say you are having orange and apple in the ratio of 2/3. Okay, so in this way you are comparing orange and apple, okay, in terms of ratio. Clear? Now percentage. So what do you mean by percentage? You use this symbol. If I say convert this ratio into percentage, so percentage means multiply by 100, multiply it by 100. Okay, so anything if you have to convert into percentage, just multiply that quantity with 100. So it would be 200 by 3%. Clear? So 200 by 3 would be, if you solve it, you will get 200 divided by 3 would be 66.6. So it would be equal to 66.66%. Okay. Again, if I say convert 4/3 into percentage, again multiply this with 100. Okay. Now solve this 400 divided by 3. It would be equal to 400 divided by 3. It would be 133.33%. Okay. So after decimal, write 2 digits, at least 2 digits. Okay. Clear? How would you convert any number into percentage? Just multiply that number with 100. If I say I am having a 0.26, how would you convert this number into percentage? Multiply it with 100. So this would be 26%. Clear? Clear, Ananya? Now see.
Clear, ma'am.
Yes. Now we will see. If I say I am having a 200 apples, okay, 200 fruits, okay, out of 200 I am having a 60% of apple. So how many apples are there? Total are 200, and out of 200 60% are apple. Okay, it means how many apples are there? In these type of question, what you have to do, you write in the sentence. 200 of 60%. 60% of 200. Sorry. You can write.
That means 60 by 100 into 200.
Yes, 60% of 200. Okay, so 60% of 200 means 60 by 100. This off means multiplication of 200. Okay, so this 60 by 100 into 200. 20 will get cancelled out, and you will get 120. Okay, so this would be the first type of question. This would be the second type of question. Okay, and third type question will come in the percentage profit, percentage loss. Okay, that is also important. Percentage profit, percentage loss. Okay, see, if you buy something, okay, if you buy something, that is called the cost price of that product. Okay, if you buy a if you buy a calculator, okay, if its cost is 100 rupees, okay, now if that is not if that is not in working condition and you want to sell it, okay, if you want to sell it and you are selling it in 50 rupees, so you you got a profit or a loss?
Ma'am, profit of 50 rupees.
No. Cost price. You brought it for 100 rupees. You are selling in 50 rupees. So you are in a profit or loss?
Loss, ma'am.
Loss. You are a loss of how much rupees?
50 more rupees.
Yes. So loss can be counted as the
CP
difference
minus
of
SP.
CP minus SP. So CP minus SP is 50 rupees. Clear? Now, if I say I am having a I took a dress. Okay, I purchased a laptop. I purchased a laptop which its cost price was 50,000. Okay, and after 2 years I sold it. Okay, and I sell in 60,000. Okay, so I am in a profit or loss?
Ma'am,
I am in a profit. If I took it in 50,000 and I sold it in 60,000. So
ma'am, it's a loss again.
loss, that will be a loss. Cost price is less than the selling price. Here cost
Oh.
price, selling price is,
Profit.
yes, this is a profit. If selling price is more, it means there would be a profit. So that profit will be selling price minus cost price. So selling price is 60,000 and cost price is 50,000. So profit of 10,000 rupees. Got it? So always compare the cost price and selling price. If cost price is more, it means there is a loss. If selling price is more, it means there is a profit. If both are equal, then no profit, no loss. Clear, Ananya?
Yes.
Okay. Now see, how would you calculate the percentage of profit and percentage of loss? Percentage of profit and percentage of loss always calculated with respect to the cost price only. Okay, so first calculate the profit and then divide it with the cost price, and now since you have to calculate the percentage, then multiply it with 100. Clear? Now percentage loss would be the loss. First calculate the loss, and it is also calculated with respect to cost price. Okay, since it is a percentage, then multiply with a 100. Okay, if I say I borrowed a I purchased a mobile. Okay, I purchased a mobile and its cost price was 5,000 rupees, and I sold it in a 4,000 rupees. Okay, so tell me, it is a loss for me, or I gained a loss or profit? Yeah, tell me, Ananya. I gained a loss or a profit? If I took a mobile in 5,000, I sold it in 4,000. So it's a loss for me or profit for me?
Ma'am, it's a loss because the
Loss.
CP is higher than the SP,
Yes.
ma'am.
So how much loss?
1,000 rupees loss.
Loss of 1,000 rupees. Okay. So now tell me the percentage loss. Percentage loss. Percentage loss.
Yes, ma'am.
Percentage loss formula is loss. Loss is 1,000 rupees divided by cost price. Okay, always divide it by cost price only into
Okay.
100 into 100. Okay, so
20%.
20% loss. Okay, I'm in a 20% loss. Okay, now if I say if cost price is 5,000 and selling price is 7,000, then I gained a profit or loss?
It's a profit, ma'am. It's
Profit of how
2000.
much? Profit of
Uh,
how
pro-
much?
Yes, ma'am. It's for 2000.
2,000 rupees. Okay, so what would be the percentage of profit?
Ma'am, then it would be like profit by CP into 100,
Yes,
which is 4.
into 5,000 into 100. So 3,000, cancel, zeros will cancel out.
It
Okay,
means 40%.
yes, 5 into 20, 40%. Clear? Now, now in the question, they may ask, instead of profit and loss, they may ask the cost price also. If profit is given, if percentage profit, see, you have to remember this formula only. Profit divided by cost price into 100. Okay, or you can say profit is cost price, selling price minus cost price upon cost price into 100. You remember only this formula, you can do each and every question of this chapter. Okay, remember only this formula. If this is given and cost price is given. Okay, so
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
yes,
Ma'am, like you said that the profit percent equals to profit by CP into 100. Like which one we should like which one exactly is the correct one? Like
profit
if,
is
if profit is given in case, if I get profit, then which one should be this one, or this one?
they both are same na. Instead of profit, I kept SP minus CP. Profit is SP minus CP only.
Okay, ma'am. So you substituted the formula instead of the
I
profit.
substituted the profit formula SP minus CP. Okay. So
Okay,
now,
ma'am, got it.
now use the second formula. This formula, if percentage profit is given and SP is given. Okay, and they have asked about CP. If I say percentage profit is 20% and selling price is 6,000 rupees. So find out the cost price. Can you find it? Yeah, do it, Ananya.
Okay, ma'am.
Find out the cost price.
Yes, ma'am. Doing it.
Yes, do it. Put the values of all the given variable. Okay, SP is 6,000. CP is not given. So you can assume the CP as X or keep the CP as CP only. Okay. So now
Okay.
see. Yes. So now what you have to do, you can cross multiply. You can cross multiply. 20x would be, you have to multiply this 100. Okay, with the 6,000 minus x into 100. Okay, so this could be written as 20x equal to, see, multiply this 100 first with 6,000 and then with x. So 6,000 1000 into 100 minus x into 100. Okay, now see, they are like term, x are like term. You can transpose this term here. So this will become 20x plus 100x equal to 6000 into 100. Okay, so now this 20x 100x would become 120x. 120x equal to 6000 into 100. So x would be this whole thing divided by 120, since x is in multiplication. So after transposing, it will come in the division. So 0 0 will get cancelled out. Okay, now we can cancel with the table of 6. 6 2s are 12 and 6 1s are 6, 1000. Okay, now again you can cancel with the table of 2. 2 5s are 10. So 5 into 1000, 5000. So the cost price is 5000. Got it?
Got it, ma'am.
Ananya, got it?
Got it, ma'am.
Okay, so instead of remembering 3 4 formulas separately for the cost, price, selling price, you can remember this formula, and you, whatever the thing is being given, put here, and whatever is not given, assume that is x, and then solve this equation and find out the unknown x. Okay, so whatever way is convenient for you, you can prefer that one. Clear?
Yeah.
Or otherwise, from this formula only you can derive the formula for, you can write the formula for the SP and CP.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so both are correct. Now see, so these type of question may come in your exam. Now we will see the interest, compound interest. So what is the interest, Ananya? Interest is if we borrow something from the bank, okay, and we return it after some year, after few years, okay, then if we are borrowing, if I am borrowing 2000 rupees from the bank, okay, and if bank is, if I return it after 2 years, okay, so this money would not will be the same. With this money, with this initial amount or principal amount, this is known as principal amount. Okay, with this principal amount, I have to pay some interest amount also. Interest amount. Okay, I have to pay this money with the interest amount. Okay, if I take, if I borrow the money, some money from the bank, and if you borrow this money from your close friend, then you don't have to pay this interest amount. Okay, you can pay 2000 directly after 2 years, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years. She will not get mind, she will not mind it. Okay, whenever you are returning, you may return, but for the bank there is a rule. Bank, there is a rule. This money can be returned as it is. With this money you have to pay some interest amount. Okay, and that interest amount can be calculated as, PRT divided by 100, where P is the principal amount, R is the rate, R is the interest rate in percentage. Okay, T is the time, and 100 is 100. Okay, if I say I borrowed 2000 rupees from the bank at an interest rate of 5% for the year 3 years. Okay, so find out the interest amount. Yeah, Ananya, do it. Find out the interest amount.
Okay, ma'am.
PRT divided by 100.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Just give me a second.
You, how much you got? How much you got? Principal amount is 2000. 5% is rate or time is 3 years divided by 100. So 0 can be cancelled out. So 20 into 5, 100 into 3,
Ma'am, is the answer 200?
300.
Okay.
Here it is 3
Oh, yes, ma'am.
years. Okay. So 300. Now if I say, so how much amount you will pay to the bank? How much amount? How much total amount or how much sum you would pay to bank after 3 years? That amount would be principal amount plus interest amount. Okay. So after 3 years, you would pay 2,300 rupees to bank. This is the sum of amount. Clear? Clear, Ananya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is over. Okay. The last topic of this chapter is tax. Okay. So what is a tax? So there is a compound interest also, or only this simple interest?
Ma'am, there's compound interest as well, ma'am. For us, just annually calculation, not quarterly or half yearly.
Okay, okay. So there is a formula for direct formula for the compound interest also, right?
Yes, ma'am. There
What is
a
that formula?
for it. Ma'am, it's like A equals to P.
1 plus R by
1 plus R by 100 to the power N.
yes. So for the compound interest is A 1 plus R by 100 raised to power N. N is the number of year, right?
Yes.
Yes. So that is the number of year. When per year the rate of interest is not same, okay, then you may apply this formula.
Okay.
Okay. A would be given, R would be given, N would be given, and they may ask find out the compound interest. You can apply this formula directly. Clear?
Okay, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now we would see the text. Okay. So text is what? Text is we don't give text to the bank. Okay. We give text to the government. When we earn money. Okay, you would have seen your parents might be giving tax. Okay, everyone has to give tax. What is the amount of tax? Tax is the money that we pays to government for, and government will use that money for public service only. Okay, government will use that money for public servicing only. So now see, in a hotel restaurant you might have seen, if bill is 560, they will add tax, value added tax and service added tax. They will add tax. Okay, if they add 5% of tax, okay, 5% of total money, okay, 5% of total bill. If tax is 5%, then how much money you need to pay at the restaurant? If they are adding 5% tax, then how much money you need to pay? How much money would be reduced from your ATM? Yeah, calculate the 5% of 560. Calculate this tax amount. This tax amount would be 5% of 560. Okay, and with this amount would be added into your main amount, and that much money you need to pay. So 560 into 5 by 100, 0 will get cancelled out. 5 to the 10 and 28 to the 56. So 560 plus 28, it would be 568 plus 28 would be 588. So instead of 560, you need to pay 588. because there is a 28 rupees extra as a tax. You have to pay tax. Okay. The service, the restaurant is giving service, and restaurant people have to pay tax. Okay. And how he will collect the tax? He will pay the tax. He will collect the amount from you, then he will pay only. Okay. So he will pay. He will collect the amount from us. Clear? So the tax amount would be added to the main amount. Clear? Now, after this, what is left? Actually, this is the tax. Yes, see, cost of item plus X by
Ma'am?
cost. Yes.
Ma'am, actually it's getting a little bit late for me, so can I leave the
Yeah,
class?
for you only, for your purpose only, I am here.
Sorry, ma'am. Actually, this chapter is coming, so I told. I'll be able
Yes,
to do
yes.
it.
Yeah, and I thought you are having exam today, so I should complete at least the main points and main formulas. So it is here, up to here, I have covered almost to the all formulas of this chapter. Okay, you may practice few questions. Okay, Ananya, you may practice few questions. If you feel any doubt, you can message me.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, this is enough for today. Okay, bye.